Today we're taking a look at the 50 euro cents 2002 G. Germany coin. This coin was minted at the Karlsruhe Mint, marked with the letter G. And it's part of the very first year of euro currency production in Germany. On the national side, you'll see the Brandenburg Tor, one of Germany's most iconic landmarks, symbolizing unity and peace. Surrounding it are the 12 stars of the European Union. On the reverse, you have the standard euro coin design featuring Europe's map and the large 50 denomination. Most 2002 G coins are common, but collectors look for uncirculated condition or coins with mint errors. In circulated condition, the value is usually 50 cents. But in uncirculated or BU quality, the value can reach 2 euros to 5 euros. And proof or rare errors can be worth even more. If you enjoy discovering rare and interesting coins like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antiques. Thanks for watching.